In today's video, I will walk you through how to export code from Replit. Start by opening the specific Replit project you want to export. Give the workspace a moment to finish loading so everything appears correctly. Once it's ready, you should see the code editor and, depending on your layout, a sidebar with your project files. If the files are not visible yet, that's completely fine because you'll open them in the next step. Next, look toward the top right area of the Replit interface for the Pane icon that controls the Files panel. Click that icon to display the Files pane on the right side. If the Files pane is already open, you can leave it as it is and continue. The important thing is to make sure your project's files are visible in the list before moving on. Once the Files pane is open, look at the top right corner of that pane and find the three dots icon. This is the options menu for file-related actions. Click the three dots to open the available options. Make sure you're selecting the three dots inside the Replit Files pane and not your browser's menu so the correct options appear. From the menu, choose Download as Zip. Replit will package your project into a single zip archive. If your project contains more files, the process may take a little longer to complete. After it's finished, your browser will usually ask where you want to save the file, or it may automatically place it in your default Downloads folder. If you don't see a download prompt, check your browser's downloads list and make sure downloads aren't being blocked. After the zip file has been downloaded, your export is complete. The archive contains your project's code along with the supporting files exactly as they appear in your Replit workspace. If you want to use the project on your computer, simply extract the zip file by double-clicking it, then open the extracted folder in your preferred editor. Keep in mind that items managed outside your code, such as environment variables stored in Replit secrets, are not included in the exported zip file. If your project depends on those values, you'll need to set them up again in your local environment. If you don't see the download as zip option or it doesn't respond when you click it, try refreshing the page. Also, confirm that you're in the correct project. Make sure you have an active internet connection and verify that your project has at least one file visible in the Files pane. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your code from Replit, and your project is now saved as a portable zip file that you can keep for backup, move to another machine, or share whenever you need it. Thank you for watching.